Here we have a BMW Z4 and we installed a CarPlay Kit. So why don't you get in and let's show you that. Right, let's start it up. So this is a factory system. We haven't changed the screen, we haven't changed the functionality of the vehicle at all. This is a full integrated CarPlay kit that gives you Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, completely wireless, so you don't have to plug your phone into anything. So let me show you how it all works. So at the moment it's just basically its normal screen is on radio as it is normally. So what we need to do, we need to change the actual media settings to auxiliary. So this is where we'll get the audio output from the CarPlay kit coming through the car speakers. So we need to set this up first, which is what we've done. Now with this car in particular, you've got the menu button here. If I push and hold that for 3 seconds, it'll then flick over to the CarPlay kit, as so. So now I'm just going to link my phone up to it. So really simple, all you do is go into settings, go into Bluetooth settings, is AI, so we're using a kit called Integrated Automotive. It's now asking to pair, so we allow. We're now pairing, it's now connecting. So let's just give it a few moments. It's asking me to connect to CarPlay, which I'll do. And now it's connected. So you have all the normal functionality of CarPlay using the factory controls to do it. Everything you're looking at is through the factory screen. This particular car's got a factory 10.25 inch screen, which is quite a nice size screen, so it just works really well. So you go into Google Maps, so it gives you all the latest mapping. Spotify, in my case, in your case, it might be something else like Amazon Music or even YouTube Music. Is any apps that's actually compatible and licensed for CarPlay will work. And it's slightly different with the Android compared to the Apple, but it's all very specific. So that gives you all the menus there. Go into the split screen. If you're used to CarPlay, it just works how all CarPlay systems work. So the nice thing about it is the fact that you could easily flick back to the car menu. So if you push and hold the menu button, it flicks back to the car system, and if you want to go back onto radio, you can do. If you want to go back to CarPlay, all you do is push and hold that menu for another 3 seconds again, and it just flicks back to it. It's really quick and it's quite seamless. So if you want to play any music on there, go to Spotify and the audio will come out. I'll just quickly blast it through the car speakers. So with the pairing that we did initially, you don't have to do that all the time. Once your phone's paired up to the system, it will automatically see it. So if we switch everything off, the screen powers down, and then if we start it up again, it comes onto its normal radio. Give it a few moments, it will start looking for your phone, which is already paired up to it. As is Bluetooth, that's why it takes a little bit of a while. And then once it's connected up, it's really fast. So if you just have a look at that. And there you have it. It's now connecting up to CarPlay. I haven't done anything, it just does it automatically. And just give it a few moments. So now it's on there. So basically, if you flick between it, it's just very, very quick. Just that initial start up just takes a little moment, but even though it's not that long. So there you have it. This is a BMW Z4 and we installed a CarPlay kit.